How was your journey of learning German language over here then?
Even I thought it would be difficult for me to crack the exam, but for entering my Goethe Center, I was really very nervous about how it will be, how would be the listening part, how are they going to take a speaking module and
Right.
all. But
Do you find any kind of difference when it comes to attending class or when it comes to teaching pattern or methodology that offline is better option compared to online then? Hi Niyati, how are you?
I'm good, ma'am. How about you?
All fine, thanks a lot. So Niyati, first of all, a big congratulations to you because you have scored a whopping 86% in your Goethe A1 examination.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Even I'm very grateful for the support that I've got along the way.
That's pretty nice. And Niyati, first of all, I would like to know that why you decided to opt for German language. I mean, was it pre-planned that you would like to go to Germany, or how exactly this thought of learning German and going to Germany came to your mind then?
So basically, I was not prepared for going to Germany for my further studies, but I've heard about the Institute Amrapala Vision through Facebook. So I've attended a seminar in my city, and then I got to know about the opportunities that I'm going to get in
Right.
Germany for pursuing my masters. So I've thought of learning German language.
Okay, so after attending the seminar that Amrapali Vision conducts in various cities, you came to know that what opportunities can you have, okay, for your career and everything, and then you decided to go.
Yeah,
Okay, this is
yes.
pretty nice that I have got to know. Okay, and then. Okay, so you came in contact over here. Then have you explored any other consultancy or institutes as well before coming over here?
So the dedication and support I've got here, I've not got elsewhere. So I've decided to join
Amrapali
the
Vision for
institute.
that particular
Yeah.
thing then. Okay, because I still remember perhaps you also came for offline demo, right? First of all, I think it was evening time when you came for a demo class. And so after attending demo, I mean, what you felt, that what thing you like most about demo? Because see, demo I do provide for mostly half an hour. It takes half an hour for me to provide demo to students when it comes to German language. So after attending demo, what you felt that no, I'm going to continue my German classes from here only?
Yeah, so I still remember attending my demo class with you. So at the end of the class, if you remember, I've asked you that if it is going to be difficult for me
Right.
to learn the language or not, but your positive statement assured me that, yeah, I will crack the exam with your support.
Yes, definitely. And then you started your classes offline because you were over here in Ahmedabad for your internship and everything, right? And later on, you opted for online because you had to shift to your city, Vadodara. So, do you find any kind of difference when it comes to attending class or when it comes to teaching pattern or methodology that offline is better option compared to online? Then, I mean, do you find any kind of difference between these two?
So, yeah, at first, when I was coming for offline classes, I was like very excited about learning new languages. Then, if we had some confusions or
Right.
doubts, we got to solve in one-on-one discussion. But, while I was attending online class, I didn't felt like online and offline are two different kind of things, because there also you were really helpful to us and made our doubt solved easily.
Because sometimes students do ask me that, ma'am, we just want to opt for offline classes only. We are not going to conduct any kind of, we are not going to attend any kind of online classes, because students are quite skeptical when it comes to online classes because of this COVID thing which has happened. So most of students were studying most of things online. So after this era was over of COVID and everything, so students were so saturated with the things that no, we are not going to conduct any or attend any kind of online classes rather than. So okay, that's why I wanted to know from you as well, because you have attended online and offline both classes. That's why I asked you this thing. And how about your journey? Because you have scored really nice score, 85 plus to get in German, because German is a pretty different and quite difficult language compared to other languages which I know so far. So how was your journey of learning German language over here then?
Yeah, basically, at first, even I thought it would be difficult for me to crack the exam, but as on while pursuing my language.
Right.
I got some insightful materials and all the materials that were up to the mark for exam.
Right.
And even you were there to solve our doubts when we had like we were struggling with
Yes.
some confusions or something. So yeah.
And we had all kind of training in our class itself, whether it is reading, writing, speaking, listening, solving grammatical things and everything. So what was that particular point or what particular part of a language you enjoyed the most while learning?
So yeah, I really enjoyed the speaking part because I felt like that was the most difficult for us because yeah, as we know English, we would be able to
Right.
read it very easily.
Correct.
So as means at every class we were used to speak some or the other things to read from the modules or something. So yeah, we got very good revision for that.
And do you think that this, because see, learning a language is comparatively different than cracking the Goethe examination. So because once we were done with the training of our A1 course, because it lasted almost 1.5 months to finish our A1 course content of a whole training, right? Then we started with our these Goethe classes as well. So what you felt that which point was more helpful to you when it comes to cracking your Goethe examination at that time?
So yeah, as we can see that after every 3 chapters, you
Right.
used to give us tests for
Right.
the each modules and course books.
Right.
Even after that, when we were there for our exam
Right.
preparations, you used to give us mock test every other day,
Yes.
and we used to solve it in class,
Right.
and we also had speaking for that also. So it helped us a lot while cracking our exam.
So, usually students do feel that this examination that they are going to have, this Goethe examination, so it will be quite difficult. So, they are quite nervous about that thing as well. So, what was going in your mind as well, that whether it will be difficult, whether I will be nervous? I mean, tell me something about that. How was the experience over there as well?
So yeah, frankly speaking, before entering my Goethe center, I was really very nervous about how it will be, how would be the listening part, how are they going to take a speaking module and
Right.
all. But after entering to our Goethe exam and talking to some people over there,
Right.
I felt like little confident about myself that no, I'm really well prepared about my exam.
Okay, so you were also interacting over there, okay? Because yes, students do tell me sometimes that yes, before our speaking test, especially, we are made to sit in a hall over there, and we always talk with each other. So you also had conversation over there with other students then.
Yeah. I had.
Okay, that's pretty good. And also, I would like to ask you, what further suggestions would you like to give to students outside? Because there are many students like you who want to opt for their master's program in Germany, because Germany provides a good platform these days, right? So, what suggestion would you like to give them? Because Germany is a good platform for sure, but students are quite skeptical or quite nervous that, okay, language is a main thing over there, because not all people over there speak English language. So, any suggestion would you like to give those students as well regarding this thing?
Yeah, so I would like to tell that even if you are opting for your English language over there for course, it will be good if you opt for your German language at least till A1, A2 or B1 B2 level, because it would really help even in your routine life
Right.
over there to talk, to communicate with other persons.
Correct.
So yeah, I would suggest to
Them as well regarding
Yeah.
this thing. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, Niyati, so thanks a lot for giving us your precious time. You came over here, especially at Amrapali Vision from your city, for this thing. So thanks a lot. And again, a big congratulations to you for scoring such a good marks in your A1 exam.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Sure.